Hello and welcome to this new video on how to deactivate Facebook accounts. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Facebook interface, and when you have access to Facebook interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon with your profile picture in it. Just click on it and a pop-up box will appear. Now you need to click on that setting and privacy tab, and setting and privacy section will be appeared. Now what you need to do next is just click on the first option that says settings. Just click on it and settings section will be appeared. Now look on the left hand side of the screen. There will be an Meta Account Center topic, and on the bottom of the topic there will be see more in Account Center text. Just click on it and Account Center interface or section will be shown to you. Now again keep an eye on left hand side of the screen. There will be account settings, and on the second option of the account settings it says personal details. So just click on that personal details. Now on the right hand side personal details section will be appeared, and on the bottom of the personal details there will be account ownership and control tab. Just click on it and a pop-up box will be appeared, and there will be deactivate or deletion option on the bottom. So just click on that option and another pop-up box will be appeared. Now you just have to choose the account that you want to deactivate. So just choose that particular account, and again there will be two different options, that is to deactivate your account or delete your account. You just have to choose the first option, that is deactivate your account, and click on that continue button and follow through the processes and instruction provided by Facebook, and you will be able to deactivate your account. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.